Hello, now we're going to see if we can change some of the colors of our elements. For example, this is slide 4, and on the model answer, I'm using this colorful scheme for the Smart Art graphic. And if you look at the exercise file we've created, after we applied the design theme banded, all of our charts and all of our smart arts were automatically given this yellow color. So if you don't want them all to look like this with the same golden color because it gets kind of boring after a while, you can click the smart art that you want to apply a different color scheme to, and when you click the smart art, you'll get this button up here, design. And under design, you will see that there's something called change colors. So this is where I pick my color scheme, and you'll see that there's something here called colorful. So as you point your mouse to the colorful scheme, you'll see that it changes along with what you've selected, and you can even drag it down here, and you'll see there's other schemes here which can be applied, and they all fit your banded design theme. Okay, so they will all match. So you can pick whatever color you want, and I'm just going to go with this one, colorful. So I click here, and now I've applied this color scheme. Another thing you can do is over here there's some smart art styles, and if you click here you can apply different styles. Like if you want them to look a bit shinier, like with a 3D effect, or if you want them to look tilted, there's different designs you can play around with. And I'm not going to play around with this too much, but you can select whichever you like here, or maybe I'm just going to go with this one. Okay, so this is how you can change the color scheme. For the chart, you can change the color scheme here, of course, too, by going to design. And you'll see that there's different color schemes here, but I'm just going to stick with this one. And I'm going to go to this slide number 6, and you'll see that this one also all has this golden yellow color. I click on the smart art, and the design comes up here. Again, I can change the colors. I can change it to this colorful scheme, or I can change it to another one. And I think for this one, yeah, I'm gonna use this scheme then. All right, so this is the scheme I picked, and again, there are some styles here that you can go for. I'm gonna pick this style, and I keep going. This is my table, so I click the table. Again, I look for this design button that comes out, and if I don't want this yellow color, I can pick a different color scheme. So there's a number of choices here. I think I'm just gonna go for this one. And I keep going. Okay, this one also has a chart, a smart art graphic, sorry. So I click the smart art graphic, go to the design. I can change the colors. And I can also select a different style here. And here's my word art. Okay, so applying the banded design theme has changed my colors, and I don't really like this pink color. So I'm gonna go back to formatting the word art, and I'm gonna select this lime color. This lime color was added to the word art styles because I chose the banded design. So after choosing this style, maybe I'm going to change the outline to a darker green color here. And for the fill, I'm going to use this one. And then for the effects, I'm going to go for a glow. I'm going to use this, I'm going to add a grayish glow, and that will emphasize this text. And I can go to home and check. Okay, it's already bold-faced, so that should be, yeah, this one already stands out enough. So I've shown you how to use the different design options here to change the color scheme, and also to apply different styles to your smart art graphics and to your word art.